Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. This is the first video I am filming for you guys in 2025. There's a lot happening today, the day that I am filming this video. As some of you may know, I was born and raised in Los Angeles, California. It's a very anxious, very sad time. I will be linking some places perhaps where you can donate if you are able. A lot happening and it just kind of feels weird to be talking about skincare, but you know, some of us use skincare as a means of self-care, and it's a good time to practice self-care, at least for a few minutes. I know that it has been very hard to kind of peel myself from watching local news. So I am definitely welcoming this moment to allow me to not do those things. So let's talk skincare. I always film a video like this. These are products that I am hoping to try and test in the year 2025. I will link my 2024 version up above for you in case you're curious. Maybe I tested those products, maybe I didn't. We are talking about some of the skincare products I do plan to try and test in 2025. Now you may see these in like full-fledged YouTube product review videos, or you may see some of these in YouTube Shorts, or perhaps if you follow me on Instagram as well, you may see them on my Instagram Reels. These are all products I want to test, and some I may already be testing. I will start with the Paula's Choice Pro-Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. This contains 3 peptides, hexapeptide 5, which supports moisture, balance, and bounce, oligopeptide 1, which helps maintain a healthy natural collagen, and tridecapeptide 1, which rapidly smooths and plumps lines. Now this is a product, look at this color, that I have already tried, and one of the products I am most excited about testing and trying, and probably the first you will see a review on. This retails for $49 and it is one of Paula's Choice newest launches. I will say that this is more of a gel type of consistency, and it is the first kind of gel-like product of Paula's Choice that I have tested. I have been trying this for a week and I do have it on my skin right now and it feels divine. The humidity levels are practically non-existent, and even though it is a gel-based moisturizer, I feel like it hydrates my skin just enough. This is probably the first product you will see me review from the products that I will be sharing with you all today. Let me know if you're excited for this in the comments down below as well. I do know a lot of people are loving this right now. These are all brands I have yet to review here on my channel, and I do want to start with the Outset. This is a, what is her name? She's married to the guy from SNL. She came out in the Avengers movie. What is her name? What is her name? I am really good with celebrities, but with everything that is going on, I can see her photo here on the Sephora app that I have pulled up on my iPad. The Outset. Scarlett Johansson. That is her brand, the Outset. They sent over 3 products. We have the Outset Gentle Micellar Antioxidant Cleanser, which looks like this. I do love me a good gel-based cleanser. This looks like a really good second cleanse. I do love using a balm or an oil to open up my nighttime skincare routine, or this could be a good like post-gym cleanser, which I have not been to the gym in the morning because I'm still recovering from the flu and this awful cough. This does look like a great morning time cleanser. Do let me know if you've tried anything by the Outset. I know that I saw a reel someone posted about how they were not recommending anything by the Outset, but in reality they were, because they have like sensitive skin, so perhaps this is more of like a sensitive skin friendly skincare range. Next I have the Outset's Nourishing Squalane Daily Moisturizer, and this is what it looks like. I will say I am rather enjoying like the very simple packaging. This is plastic, and these are, I think, are glass. Long-lasting 24-hour hydration to help soothe, soften, dry, dehydrated skin. Our Hyaluronic complex acts as a botanical alternative to hyaluronic acid to nourish, plump, and smooth. Okay. If I were not loving the Skin Fix Barrier Triple Lipid Peptide Cream right now, I would use this tonight. But I feel like I am very close to perhaps emptying this, that I want to keep on using it before I dip into something new. I will link my review to this up above. I do like what this is claiming to do, so this might be something I try very, very soon. Next, they sent over the Firming Vegan Collagen Prep Serum, which looks like this. This is clean, I guess the entire range is clean, vegan, clinically tested, dermatologist tested, free of fragrance, which is essential for extremely sensitive, sensitized skin, free of nut allergens and gluten. This product helps lock in healthy vitamins and fortifying collagen to firm, brighten, and prep skin for hydration. Our Hyaluronic complex acts as a botanical alternative to hyaluronic acid to nourish and plump and smooth. So I think that's their thing. Hyaluronic. I think that is what they are claiming to do best, which I find very interesting. I want to know more. I will say that I haven't done any research for the products that I am talking to you today, because I have found that I do like not knowing anything about a product, trying it, and then once I'm ready to review, learning more about the product to see if what the product did really aligns with its claims. Next, let's talk about TATCHA. Now, TATCHA is a skincare range that has been around for years. This isn't as new as the Outset. I think perhaps the Outset launched in 2023 or 2024. TATCHA has been around for a while, and they sent over a beautiful care package. I don't think I've reviewed anything by TATCHA before. I did try their lip product years and years ago. I want to say like 10 years ago. But they sent over their rice wash skin softening cleanser. Retails for $40. Holy cow. This is a non-stripping cleanser that gently washes away buildup while replenishing moisture to reveal visibly softer, more luminous, clean skin. $40 for a cleanser. Okay. TATCHA is timeless Japanese beauty rituals, and they are a Sephora exclusive. They also sent over the Dewy Skin Cream Plumping and Hydrating Refillable Moisturizer. I remember perhaps trying this out before, and this perhaps being glass. And by trying this before, I mean going into Sephora and like testing it on the back of my hand when I would go to the mall. And that was years and years ago, but I could be wrong. It could have been plastic all along. I don't know. I could just be like mixing things up in my head, which happens. you know. This is a refillable moisturizer with hyaluronic acid that is proven to deliver 3 times the hydration, visibly reduce lines, seal in moisture, and impart a dewy glow. This is a rich cream, and the packaging is stunning here. I do love that it has a spatula right there, because typically with products that do come with spatulas, like I'll have the spatula like first use, and then second, third, fourth, fifth use, the spatula just kind of like disappears and goes into like the black hole of spatulas. And I'll never find it. But I do love this detail here. This retails for $72. This is a beautiful looking texture here. I'm not sure if this is fragranced. I can't smell much, but I am looking forward to trying this. Let me know if you have tried anything by TATCHA in the comments down below. What are you most excited about, or what has been the product from TATCHA that you recommend to other skincare lovers the most? Let me know in the comments down below. One thing that I am definitely most excited about trying that they sent over is the TATCHA The Silk Sunscreen. You do get 1.7 ounces here for $64, and I am so ready to try this. The Paula's Choice Sensitive Skin Sunscreen that I am trying and loving right now is literally about to empty like tomorrow. So I am looking to trying this. This is an SPF of 50, and this is a mineral sunscreen. So I am very curious how this will do on my medium skin tone. So I will keep you posted. The next range that I will be trying and testing in 2025 is, I think this is how you say it, BIOSSANCE. First of all, when I open this, lovely. I love green, yellow are some of my favorite colors. So I was really excited to see this shade of green. Now this is plastic, but this is Squalane Amino Aloe Gentle Cleanser. Quantos, $29. That's a pretty good price point for 6.76 ounces. And this also looks like a good second cleanse. From the range, I am most excited to try the Squalane and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum, which looks like this. This is glass, and this retails for $68. I did try this today, and I am impressed. I did try this today because I emptied the Drunk Elephant Cialuma Hydra Bright Serum, and I know this is not vitamin C at all. It may have a vitamin C or a form of vitamin C. I don't know what's in here, but I needed like a daytime serum, so replacing this with this. For now, at least, until we, you know, get a better idea of how this feels on my skin. This is a powerful hydrating serum that instantly and visibly plumps skin with a complex of clinically proven hydrators and collagen-boosting copper peptide. Copper peptide is great, an essential ingredient for those concerned with the signs of aging. I will say, thoroughly impressed, and the color of this is so unique and interesting. Let me know if you tried anything by BIOSSANCE in the comments down below. What did you enjoy the most about the products that you tried? They also sent over the Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. I did say I love Squalane, and this retails for $60 for 1.69 ounces. This is a rich barrier restoring moisturizer that visibly plumps fine lines and wrinkles with ceramides and multi-hyaluronic acid. I like this. I have been all about barrier restoring products recently, so this sounds delicious as well. Did I show you the texture? So this looks very basic. I am not getting a scent from this as well, so that is good for those with an impaired barrier. Fragrance-free is always good for those with an impaired, so I am excited to try. Next is the brand called Frey, and they sent over 2 products. The first of which is the Renew Me Anti-Wrinkle Bakuchiol Serum. And what I am most excited to try from them is the Detox Me Instant Clearing Mask with argan oil and leaf extract. This is glass, and there is a nice kind of weight to this, but look at this color and this texture. There is a smell to this, and it could be from that leaf extract, but I am so excited to try the mask. And of course, I'll try the serum as well, because bakuchiol is a great alternative to retinol, especially for very sensitive skin types. I did forget to mention the BIOSSANCE squalane and marine algae eye cream. So I will be trying this as well if I can ever peel myself away from the FARMACY Wake Up Honey Eye Cream, which I love and I am wearing right now. This retails for $56, and it does claim to treat dark under eye circles. I don't want to open it because I don't know if I will for sure be trying this, but do note that they did send this to me, and it is in my arsenal. That is all I have for today's video. Let me know what product you would like a review on in the comments down below, and I will try to get on that review. Those are for sure 2 reviews that are coming to you. Let me know what you are most interested in seeing from me in 2025. I will link any places, if you can, I would donate to help not just human beings, but also, you know, poor animals that have been displaced from fires. As some of you may know, and as some of you may hear during some of my videos, I have a dog, and he is like the love of my life. So I can't imagine what perhaps some people who perhaps lost their homes might be feeling if they were not allowed to go back into their homes because they were told to evacuate and like go back and get their pets. So, you know, maybe their pets are displaced now. Maybe their pets are in shelters. I know there were a lot of people who have found stray dogs, or people or dogs who like were literally like displaced, who like came out of like burning homes. I know some people were out there like grabbing these dogs. I will try to link, I think, the Pasadena Humane Society as well. I think that's one of the bigger ones that I did see, especially for the Altadena fires. So I will link to that below if you can and are interested in donating. So yeah, on that note, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and for spending some of your time with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And I also have a lingering cough from the flu. This does look, but this does, oh my God. Our hyaluros Quantos to